Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can share an application in BlueJeans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in BlueJeans, and right here you want to click share screen. And now you have options to share a screen or share an application, and you can like choose what do you want to actually share. So I'm going to like, I don't know, share this. And I'm sharing the application now, this one. And people can actually see it, right? So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So again, you just click share screen and you're going to see all the applications here. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day and goodbye.